Porter Group's apprenticeship program started in 2018. Currently we have 18 to 20 apprentices in the group. We have them spread in our three main service facilities, Auckland, Christchurch and Hamilton as being the main base. Our apprentices spend time learning the mechanical repairs of both new and used vehicles. Along with this, they do the maintenance and the servicing of the Porter hire fleet. In our larger yards, we have mechanics, paint shops and engineering shops. In our Hamilton branch, we have a haulage department where our apprentices spend time learning to carry out repairs on our haulage fleet. The benefit of training at Porter's is that the apprentice can get a wide range of experience across a large variety of machinery, models and brands that we have. One day they could be working on a Hyundai digger, and then the next day they could be working on a sandvik crusher. To get this kind of experience at one workshop is very rare, and it gives our apprentices options right from the very start of their training. We have a reliable support network for all of our apprentices. When the apprentice starts, they are assigned to a tradesman who will guide them through their practical training across the workshops. We have a training room where the theory requirement of the course can be completed, and every week we hold a support meeting with questions and answers and discussions about the work. The apprentices have a one-on-one monthly review, which is a very important part of our program, keeping the apprentice on track and finding any needs that they have, and we can be able to help them. We hold a regular Apprentice of the Year award, which is performance-based. The winner is awarded a trophy and receives a monetary amount. The ultimate aim for us is to get our apprentices into our field service team, travelling nationwide within New Zealand and throughout Australia.